Hey everyone, ever wondered how to quickly convert abbreviation to uppercase in Excel? Today, I will show you a simple yet powerful formula that will save you time and make your spreadsheet look well polished. I'll walk us through step by step how to apply the uppercase formula. Watch closely as I show us a real world example and share some tips for efficient use. Thank you. Whether you're a beginner or an Excel pro, this trick will elevate your spreadsheet game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comment below how you plan to use the uppercase formula in your work. Thank you.